day today. Nice fluffy clouds, sunshine, warmth. I wonder if that's rain up there. Alright, that was the first. Let's hope it's the last, but I think there's a second coming up ahead. Skies are beautiful over there. Not so much over here.